Hello, good morning. I'm Lois. We're here in a demonstration mode for cutting a mango. This is one way to cut a mango. So there it is. Very soft, but not too soft. Ready to go. I'm going to use a knife and a fork. I'm going to use the fork to stabilize it, and I'm going to start on the side that long ways. How to explain that? So there's one part. Then I'm going to make another cut exactly like that, only on the other side, because what we have here is a pit in the mango. It's a large pit. Takes up this whole space right here. So now we have two sides, and I'm going to go through and get the small part that's on the other side, because altogether you have four sides. So that looks like this. It's a little guy. And turn this around, we have another one. So all four sides has mango meat. And the ends too. So here's a little strip. Here's an example of the little strip. Now I'm gonna make little bite-size cuts for each of those. Hopefully you can see that. So there we have four cuts, each one's a bite. I'm gonna do this side. I'll make a cut in the middle, one on the side. I like smaller bites. You don't have to go through all that. You could do bigger ones. Now I'm gonna make some squares. So making cuts on the other side, and I'll do all of this over here, but right now I'm just gonna show you what something like this might look like. Now this is really cool. It's pretty, and each of those little squares is a bite for the mango. It looks delicious, so I'm going to demonstrate. Here's a bite. Easy to eat, not messy, delicious. So, oh no, this mango. It's perfect. Not too soft, not too hard. It's definitely ripe. Fantastic. That's how to cut and eat a mango. Thanks for watching. Bye now.